Just hope this doesn't go on YouTube at some morbid website. Hold it a little closer to the windshield.
And that makes
This
the
is
wind
as bad
bloopers.
as I've seen it.
That makes the wind bloopers worse.
It does? Okay.
Turn the windshield wipers off. It's messing up the video.
Yeah. Well, we caught the line, so we're not holding anybody up. Harry asked if that police car up there was trying to stop us, and I said, I hope so. I'd rather be stopped by him than go down that hill on our
This
left.
looks like one
Here,
of those
hand
black
that
and
to
white pictures
Ty and
with the red.
I'm not going to look. I'm just going to hold it over there.
Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good.
I have it set pretty good, Harry?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, Shasha. You see your finger showing up in the screen? Hold it a little bit differently.
You have the ice on the windshield there, Mom. You put it lower on the windshield, or on the window.
We are going about 11 miles an hour.
And only
And probably
8.5 miles to go.
that's all right.
Your red light's blinking, Ty.
That's because it's recording.
Have that battery working.
I think this is enough.
I hope we don't have to go up a hill.
Oh.
Yeah, we're fine. There's